Now some important Madani Pearls regarding Halq and Taqsir. After having performed the Qurbani, males should do Halq or Taqsir facing the Qibla. Islamic sisters can get done Taqsir only, at least the hair of a quarter of their head must be cut equal to a finger digit in length. They can do it either by themselves or get it done by their husbands. It is wajib to do Halq or Taqsir within the area of Haram. If it is done out of Haram, dam will become wajib. Mina is within the limits of Haram, and it is Sunnah to do Halq or Taqsir in Mina. The restrictions of Ihram cease after getting Halq or Taqsir done. However, the conjugal relations with wife will be halal after performing Tawaf-uz-Ziyara.